Hey tech enthusiasts! Ever wonder how to make your home smarter and greener? The smart home market is exploding, from $80 billion in 2022 to over $120 billion this year. And guess what's driving it? Eco-friendly solutions. We're talking about gadgets that don't just make life easier, but actively shrink your carbon footprint. Let's dive in. First up, let's tackle energy vampires. Remember Marcus Chen's startup? Their energy monitoring system slashed one customer's electricity bill by 40% in just 3 months, all without changing their routine. How? Smart thermostats. Think Honeywell Home. T9, adjusting room by room, cutting energy by up to 25%. Intelligent lighting. Philips Hue is still king, but Nanoleaf and LiftX are pushing boundaries with circadian rhythm lighting and energy analytics. Smart power management. Casa Smart Plugs, Belkin Wemo, TP-Link. Casa Smart Strip. These are your secret weapons. Monitor, control, and even schedule devices to cut power during peak hours or when they're in standby. Next, let's bring the outdoors in, sustainably. AI-powered gardening. Urban gardening just got an upgrade. Click and Grow smart gardens use smart soil and LED lights for optimal growing conditions. And apps like PlantNet. They use AI to identify plants, diagnose issues, and give personalized care tips, even connecting with sensors like Parrot Flower Power. Grow fresh produce, no green thumb required. Smart composting. Food waste? No more. The Vitamix food cycler transforms scraps into nutrient-rich compost in hours, not months. Odor-free, apartment-friendly, it's a game changer. Automated irrigation. Ratio 3 and Hunter HydroWise are your garden's best friends. They use real-time weather data and soil sensors to optimize watering, cutting water usage by up to 50%. Drip irrigation systems like Netafim deliver water directly to roots, minimizing waste. We're talking 40% less water in drought-prone regions. Home air quality monitoring. Breathe easy. Smart purifiers like Dyson PureCool and Molecule Air Pro automatically adjust filtration. The best part? They integrate with your smart home, adjusting ventilation and sending alerts when air quality drops. It's not just adding connectivity, it's solving real problems. Consumers want tech that improves their lives and supports their environmental goals. The products that nail this balance and define the next generation of smart living. Ready to upgrade your living space and make a real difference? Subscribe for more tech insights. Don't forget to like and share.